Hi, if you are a VP of engineering or CTO at a SaaS company, one of the most persistent bottlenecks isn't building new features. It's the regression cycles blocking the releases. I'm going to show you how to reduce regression time dramatically, often by more than half, and hit 80% coverage in just 14 days. We have deployed this across 20 plus clients in sectors ranging from edtech to fintech. For example, take Enroll Now. They are a HIPAA-compliant clinical research platform. Before QASolve, their regression validation was 100% manual. In just 3 weeks, we delivered 2,200 automated tests, moved them from bi-weekly to weekly production releases with zero additional headcount. The real problem isn't generating tests. It's the constant engineering drag of maintaining them. Most automation fails because your developers end up babysitting a brittle test harness instead of shipping code. That leads to automation rot or return to manual sanity checks. Today, Enroll Now runs a stabilized regression suite for every sprint. We have reduced production hotfixes. But the important part was not the number of tests, it's the shift in operational confidence. Traditional automation requires your team to write and maintain scripts. We don't give you a tool and walk away. We provide a managed outcome. We own and maintain the regression harness as your product evolves. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. We start the onboarding, your staging environment, and define one or two roles used by your app. Once we have you registered, we launch discovery. Our AI agents go discover all the pages and workflow within your app. And while it does that, you have a real-time view into the discovery process. You have all the pages, components. Here are the various workflows that are being discovered. While we have the workflows, we also track, what are the APIs, how they are sequenced, how they interact with users. Based on our discovery, we build a behavioral model of your app that acts as the digital twin, and we use that to create regression harness. Our models generate hundreds or thousands of test cases, and you can see all of them are auto-tagged by functionality. You can drill them down into the set of steps that are embedded with the test case. You can edit the test case if you like, and then you run them on any number of platforms. We provide extensive reports. For instance, this has 142 test cases. One has failed, and there is the historical trend analysis, and you have all kinds of metrics, including execution video, console logs, captured network traffic, and clear reproducible steps. Just as you saw, no code, no scripts. Every time your app changes, we identify the delta and maintain the regression harness for you. Your engineers ship features. We make sure nothing breaks. And here is the deal. We guarantee 80% regression test coverage in 14 days, or you don't pay. It's zero risk for you. If you want deterministic release confidence without expanding your headcount, book a strategy session. We'll show you exactly how we can onboard your staging environment. No source code, no requirement specs are needed. We will assess your current release model and tell you candidly whether this approach makes sense. Let's stabilize your next release before it ships. Thank you.